2,000 years ago, in the ancient lands of Persia, a tiny green leaf began its journey. Traders carried its seeds across deserts and mountains, to India, to China, and eventually to the rest of the world.
These seeds, they grow even in the dry winds of Persia.
What do you call them?
Spinach, the green that gives strength.
This leaf gives energy, sharp eyes, and calm mind.
Perhaps we shall call it Palak, a gift from Persia.
In India, it became pollen,
Spinach keeps the heart strong, just like the land keeps us strong.
a symbol of strength and nourishment. And today, this ancient green grows not only in fields, but in modern homes, in hydroponics and aeroponic towers, with pure water and clean nutrition. Spinach isn't just a vegetable, it's a legacy. Every leaf carries nature's power, rich iron for energy, vitamin K for strong bones, and antioxidants that protect your heart. From ancient Persian soil to modern Indian rooftops and balconies, spinach has traveled through history,